afternoon, Vijay.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So myself, Neenu, I'm from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an
Okay, ma'am.
introduction about yourself, Vijay.
Yeah, ma'am. I am Vijay CV from Davanagere. I completed my BE Civil in GMIT Davanagere.
So how do you come to know about CMTI?
Earlier, many of my friends joined CMTI and they shared their experience about CMTI, which made me to
Yeah.
join here.
Okay. So you have preferred the certified course, correct? In
Yeah, ma'am.
certified course, what are things you have learned? You can brief out the things.
Yeah, ma'am. Like project planning, QA/QC, quality assurance, and some shuttering, formworks, interior classes, and SketchUp,
Okay, so
material
like you
calculation.
went for the site visit, all right? So how
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
site experience? Apart from your college studies, it would have been different, right?
Yeah,
So
ma'am,
how the
definitely.
things were?
Yeah, coming to site visit, we have earlier I have no experience about that. We have not yet visited any site, but here coming to CMTA, they will take us to site visit. Earlier in college, we don't have any site visits and all, but coming to CMTI, they prefer more site visits and all to meet the company standards and all, which will be helpful.
Okay. Yeah. So how was our trainers, CMTI trainers? How
Yeah,
comfortable
ma'am.
you was with the trainers?
Yes, ma'am. They are very good and down to earth.
So yeah, you have cracked the interview, no? So how many rounds were the interview? So how was the guidance before you was going to the interview?
Yeah, ma'am. The guidance given by Ashok sir and Shweta ma'am and all, very good ma'am. They gave us very good time. And
Okay.
there was, and CMT app also helped us in cracking interviews.
So how many rounds were there?
2 rounds, ma'am.
So do you like CMTI app? You have used the CMTI app, right? So how much
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
like CMTI app?
Yeah, ma'am, it's really good because we can go through the class whenever if we have any confusions and all, we can go through the classes again.
Okay. Yeah. So how was our CMTI staff's entire coordination and guidance with you?
Yeah, ma'am,
So
everything was
how
good and
supportive they
fine.
was to you?
Yeah, they are very supportive actually. They used to whenever they will schedule us what the classes are and they will make us to available class mode.
So yeah, you was comfortable with the staff all. So did this
Yes,
guide you very well?
yeah, everyone knows.
Okay. So yeah, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends, Vijay?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. For freshers and all, it is a good place where they can build their career. Definitely, I will.
Yeah. So what is Vijay's final point of view for the upcoming juniors or who want to pursue CACM course? What do you want to tell Vijay?
Yeah, ma'am, this is the better platform. Like in college, we have a law. What we say, we don't have that atmosphere like sites and all, site visits and all, and no experience. What the company need is they ask for experience. So if we come for CMTI, they will teach us a lot of things, including estimation, rate analysis, which will be different from college. Lot of difference.
Thank you so much, Vijay, for the wonderful
Yeah.
feedback. All the best for your career. Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.